ரொம்ப அருமையாக பேசினாங்க எல்லா குழந்தைங்களும். இப்போ நம்ம சிறப்பு விருந்தினர் டாக்டர் வேணு பிரபாகர் அவர்களை சில வார்த்தைகள் பேசுவதற்கு அழைக்கிறோம்.
அருமையான பாட்டு பண்ணுறோம். ரொம்ப நாளுக்கு அப்புறம் கேட்குறேன், ஆனந்தமாக இருக்குது. நான் வந்து இந்த தமிழ் தமிழ் பள்ளியோட நிறுவனக் குழுவுக்கும் ஆசிரியர் குழுவுக்கும் அவங்க பெற்றோர்களுக்கும் சிரம் தாழ்த்தி தலைவணங்கி வாழ்த்துகிறேன். இவர் குணா என்ன இங்கே வர I apologize. Can I talk in English? Is it okay?
Yes.
Thank you. When Guna asked me to come and talk, I asked him, what do you want me to talk? And he said, can you talk to motivate the people, motivate the children, motivate the audience? So you have accomplished something in our community. What did you talk about your life? Tell them something. As far as motivation is concerned, our kids, Murugan, our Vivekananda and Bharadiyar, they spoke extremely well to infuse self-confidence. I just want to share some of my experiences in this country as opposed to any one of you, engineers, software engineers and everybody. You came with a job. As soon as you landed in this country, you had a job, you had an apartment, you lived. But I just want to tell the hurdles I went through in my life. I'm not telling that to impress upon you how I accomplished, but surely because he wanted me to talk about motivation for the kids and youngsters who are here. When I came to this country as a physician, I came with a tourist visa because India banned physicians to come to the United States, so I had a lot of difficulties. So when I came to the United States, I didn't have a job. So I was in a tourist visa and I found a job. You know what is my salary? Zilch. One meal a day. For 8 months, I lived in Kentucky, a country called Kentucky. I call that country because they speak like aliens. I've been to about 15 different countries before I came here, but I can never understand a word what they say. It's totally different language. So I lived there with 1 meal a day. I lost about 24 pounds. I was skin and bone. The only place I can eat is Pizza Hut, and I was a vegetarian those days, so I used to take salad. That's all. So, with great difficulties, I didn't have money to apply for visa. I didn't have any money at all to go to a lawyer. So I went to the library, read about immigration law, and I completed the form and I went and applied in Pittsburgh. It's a long story, but I want to shorten that. So Pittsburgh, I went and talked to the immigration officer, and he said, I don't have a clue that these are the ways you can apply. Who is the attorney? I said, I don't have an attorney.
So I can go.
How do you know that? I said, I went and read in the library. So finally, with great difficulties, I got the visa. The reason why I'm saying that is because for the kids, for the people who want to accomplish, all you have to do is just focus on what you want to accomplish. Everything will come naturally. When I was a student, I wanted to become a doctor, and my cousins were telling me, why don't you come and play? Let's go for a cricket match, let's go for a movie. I was determined, I will become a doctor and that is always in my focus. For the kids, I used to put it in my mirror, in the bathroom mirror. Every day when I'm combing, when I'm shaving, I saw that I will become a doctor. I will accomplish something in my life. So that was a motivating factor. So I want to tell you, if I can accomplish, every one of you can accomplish. I'm just a human being. Every one of you can accomplish what I said. As a resident, I joined as a resident. I had to work 12 hours non-stop. I go home for 12 hours. When I come back for 12 hours, I need to work 36 hours non-stop, day and night. And then I go home for 12 hours. So this is no matter what, Saturday, Sunday, Christmas, New Year, everything just keeps on going. So I calculated the amount of money I got paid per hour. It was 62 cents. As a first year resident, full year, 62 cents an hour I worked. If I can do it, you all can do it as well. Third year, I got a promotion. Fantastic money. This time, it is 82 cents an hour. I had 2 kids. I was thinking that I'm going to go broke buying them diapers. That was the most expensive one. So I struggled hard and brought up the kids, and we came up. I went all the way in my residency program. I got a promotion. They joined me. I joined the faculty. I became the assistant director of the residency training program. And I was in Cleveland, Ohio. And I came to San Diego. And San Diego, they made me the chairman of Department of Medicine in family practice residency program. If I can do it, you can all do it. Every one of you can do it. After that, I was appointed as an assistant professor at Stanford. I taught 60 physicians who are practicing medicine in San Diego County. I taught every one of them. So they all are doctors. When I periodically give lectures, medical lectures. After the lectures, they come and thank me for what I taught them. If I can do it, you can all do it. All you have to do is fix a target. Never waver. Never waver. You will become somebody in life. You will come up in life. Nobody can touch you. Just like Vivekananda said, just like Bharatiyar said, the kids said, nobody can touch you. You can accomplish anything you want. Okay? So that's what I wanted to say. One of the things I also want to tell you that if anybody wants to pursue as a doctor, this I can only take it as a college students or at least final year students. If they want to come and they can shadow me in my office, okay? So that they can watch me how I interact with the patients, and so that they can decide whether this is what they want to do. I'll be delighted to do that because I owe this to our community. One other thing for the kids, one other thing I want you to know. Okay? Goal-oriented, focused. When I drive in the car at a distance, for a distance or something like that, for many years, I don't listen to music. I listen to CDs, self-propagating, propelling CDs. So self-advancement CDs. There are a lot of CDs are available. Who are drivers, they will drive you to accomplish drive you to the peak of the mountain. Okay? So those CDs are very, very important. I would like you to, for example, Zig Ziglar's CDs. You can just listen to that whenever you have time. So those are all the motivating factors. So I wish all of you good luck. I wish all of you accomplish a lot of things. I wish all of you give it back to our community and our country and our Tamil Nadu. Thank you.